Welcome along to BalloonTube, and today we're going to do Peppa Pig. Here she is. Right now, you could do her legs in 1/60s because she has got really skinny legs, but doing it this way, the head and the legs are from one balloon and the ears and the arms from another, so you save. So you might want to do skinnier legs, but you know. Here we go then. So you need your 260 for the head. Leave about 6 fingers uninflated. You're not going to use it all. You do a tulip apple twist. Push the knot into the balloon. Grab hold of it with your finger on top of the other hand, and with this thumb and this finger, gently pull your finger out. There you go. Twist that around. You need a 5-finger bubble as he turns the balloon around this way. I don't know why. Squeeze the air a little bit. A 5-finger bubble and a 1-finger, 1.5-finger pinch twist. So you twist this one to here. Give it a few twists around. Now squeeze here, another 5-finger bubble. And what we're going to do here, the knot that's in this 5-finger bubble, you're going to trap it behind. So you get hold of the tulip apple twist with the knot, and then this will wrap around so that the tulip apple twist can't come undone then. Alright? Hopefully I've sort of explained that okay. Now squeeze the air along, another 5-finger bubble, and another 1.5-finger bubble with a pinch twist. So this one goes to here. And then I have a little 1-finger bubble goes to the first pinch twist, right? And then I like to have another one just for security there. Another 1-finger bubble, twist that around the top pinch twist, and then I squeeze the air out of the balloon so there's an uninflated bit down to the, I'm not sure if you can see, down to here. Right, so uninflated bit goes in there between the two bubbles, wrap that around. So as you can see, all you need on this 260 now is a neck, and then you've got plenty of this to do the his legs, but just for ease of filming here I'm going to use another balloon. So you only need a 1-finger bubble here. The neck needs to be really tiny. So deflate. This is your favourite method. Don't use your teeth. Get some scissors or something. So here we go. So you only need a very tiny bubble there. Run that up, and just to show I have got my scissors, I'm going to cut some of the excess off there, so that you've got just a little bit there. Alright, now then, oh, got my scissors stuck on the thumb there. Right, so now the dress. Oh, before we make the dress, you've got to make the feet, because I'll explain, it's when you connect up. So you need, you can get two sets of feet from the black 260, so don't worry about how much you've got inflated there. I've got, you know, about 8 fingers uninflated, but you're not going to use very much. You need 2 1.5-finger bubbles. Put the knot round the second twist, and then take the knot over the 2, and that gives you 2 pinch twists. Right? You can do them singly if you like, and then squeeze the air. And I like 3-finger fold twist. So a 3-finger fold twist there. One of the feet, squeeze the air. Move that around. You can either do it by eye or put your fingers there again and say, yeah, that's about right. There you go. And then get rid of that in your favourite method. So there's her feet. Right, with 2 3-finger fold twists and 2 pinch twists. You're now going to, you could use the scrap from the head, you know, to make the legs, but just for ease I'm going to use a new balloon and just wrap that into there, and that's all we're going to do at the moment. We're going to go back onto her dress now. Alright. The maximum you want to do her legs is a 4-finger bubble, might even be a 3, so because she has got shorter legs. So you need for a dress, I've got between 6 and 7 fingers uninflated there. Alright. You need 2 1.5-finger bubbles, same as what you've done for the feet actually, and twist the knot round the second one, goes over the top, and that gives you your 2 pinch twists. Squeeze the air. You need a 5-finger bubble, then a 4-finger bubble. Squeeze the air, another 5-finger bubble. There we go, and then so it's a 5, 4 and a 5. This one goes down to 2 pinch twists. You then measure it down, squeeze the air, another 5-finger bubble, and then a 4-finger bubble. Alright, and that goes either side here, doesn't matter. Alright, so push that through. Right. Now, so you should have this, hopefully. Now you need a one finger bubble, and this is where you're going to attach her legs. And it's easy to do it now. So I'm going to do a maximum of a 4-finger bubble. Alright, there you go. Probably about 3.5. That's it. I'm not sure if it's 3 or 4, so let's go for 3.5. Right. So that goes round. This keeps me happy to do it. Round there like so. We'll finish her other leg off, shall we? And we'll do that about the same. Wash a bit of it. Right, wrap that around a few times. You can tighten a knot. Get rid of that in your favourite method. There you go. Right, so as you're here with the 1-finger bubble, you now another 1-finger bubble, and that's going to go into either here or here. It doesn't matter which one it goes into. That goes through there. And see that's right. Right, there we go. You're now going to need another 4-finger bubble, which is going to go over to this side here. 4-finger bubble. Alright, push that through there. Alright, now you're going to need another 1-finger bubble, which is going to go back to her legs, because at the moment her legs have only got a 1-finger bubble for the 2 sections and you want it from the 3. So wrap that nice and tight around now. And then what you can do is that you can have some of this balloon up in the centre to fill it up a bit. But you only want probably about a 3-finger bubble. Alright, so deflate this. Not with your teeth though, because that's terrible. And I've probably got for about 3.5 again. There we go. I'll go for 3.5 again. Tie that up. And you do have to push that through the bottom of the dress. That's a little bit tight. There we go. Push the 1-finger bubbles up into the dress, and then this goes down the 2-pinch twist. It just helps to fill the dress up a little bit. And I'm going to get my scissors again. Yes, I am. I'm a semi-professional some days, but today might be one of them. So there we go. So a dress looks like this. I have the one bubble at the front, 2 at the back, because her arms sit in nicer that way. So there she is like this. Alright, so let's do her arms. We need again, you're not going to use all of this because you're going to do the ears as well with it. So I've got 6 fingers uninflated, but if you was doing it all in one, you'd probably only want to leave 4 fingers, 3 or 4 fingers uninflated. So you need a 1-finger bubble, a 2-finger bubble, and a 1-finger bubble. Alright, so 1 finger, 2 finger, 1 finger. This first twist goes around the 3rd twist. Alright, and then I push the 1-finger bubble through. There we go, to that one and lock. Squeeze the air, and I always think a 5-finger bubble will be okay for her arm. So a 5-finger bubble there, goes around the 2-pinch twist. And squeeze the air, another 5-finger bubble. Make sure they're about the same size. A 2-finger bubble, a 1-finger bubble. These two get tied together, or twisted together, and then you just need a 1-finger bubble from here. But as you can see, there's plenty of balloon here to do her ears, but just for ease on here for filming, I'm just going to use a separate one. So you just need a 1-finger bubble there, and don't forget that 1-finger bubble, you've got to push between the 2-finger and the 1-finger of the hands, just so that it keeps it locked. And then cut off the excess. There we go. Oh, look at this, see? Scissors galore today. And we might as well trim up on the other side, so it all looks rather nice. There we go. So this is Peppa at the moment. And then what she needs is to put her head on. Here's her head. And I'm just looking around for, oh yeah, put the eyes on the other side. So just a 1-finger bubble there. That goes around. A quick twist. Get the right way round. Would help, I suppose, wouldn't it? There we go. Right. There. Let's have a look. Oh. Right. So here's Peppa at the moment. You'll have to shout because she can't hear you. Right. You need the rest of your 160 that you use for the arms, but I'm using attach that to the top pinch twist. And then I do a 4-finger bubble and a 2-finger bubble. Alright, so squeeze the air. So you've got a 4-finger bubble and a 2-finger bubble. Goes back to the peach twist. And then another squeeze the air, another 4-finger and a 2-finger. And that goes down there. Have it around a couple of times. And let me know I don't even tighten a knot. Get rid of that. Oh, there we go. And so I like her ears come up like this, and I'll just put some eyes in. I also like to just push, open up the bottom 2 bubbles of her head here, and push her neck down a little bit so that she's there. So she sits in. Here's Peppa, a little 12 round, and her eyes. I just inflate this to about a 3-finger bubble. Oh! Let's quickly re-inflate that. Oops, there we go. We do a 3-finger bubble and then split it into 2, hopefully it won't pop, and tie that up. Right, and then cut off your excess. Pepper's under my arm there, I need to get over to the other scissors, don't I? There we go. Alright, now then, and then just put the eyes in between there. There we go. And here's Peppa Pig for you. Straighten her up, and there we go. Not too bad, we'll give it a 12 round. Alright, and then obviously just draw the eyes on. There we go. And we'll have one over there. And one on this side. There we go. And there is your there is Peppa Pig. Alright, there we go, a little well round. Alright. Thanks for watching, and if you could hit the subscribe button down here somewhere, or tell a few friends about BalloonTube, that'd be very much appreciated. So bye from me, bye from Peppa, bye!